Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually sign out your PlayStation Network account or your PSN account from all of the devices or other devices such as your PlayStation or other PS4 devices. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can do that. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How do I sign out of all devices on PSN, or how to actually log out your PlayStation Network account from all other PS4s or wherever you're actually logged in at? If that is the case, then you want to make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to discuss how we can actually sign out of your PSN account from all the devices. So first things first, you could also do this from your web browser if you're using it on your PC or you're using it somewhere else. I'm going to simply open a browser on my mobile device, and here you want to simply go to playstation.com. So make sure you go to this correct URL because I'm also going to leave this link down in the description box. Go ahead and simply tap on playstation.com, and as you tap on playstation.com, we're going to be taken to this page right over here. Now here you want to simply first of all go ahead and select your country or your region. Go ahead and select your region. As you select your region right over here, you'll be taken to a new page, and if you're actually not already logged in or signed in, go ahead and sign into the PSN account which you want to log out or remove from all other devices. So go ahead and simply enter your account details. On the top right, you'll be able to see the sign in button, and after you sign in, you can see this is how the home interface is going to look like. Now what we can do is, in order to sign out of PSN on all other devices, on the top right hand side of the screen, you will simply be able to see this profile icon or your PSN profile. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be taken to this page, and this option is going to open up, and here you want to simply select the first option which says account settings. So go ahead and simply tap on account settings button. As you tap on account settings, we're going to be taken to a new page right over here where you have another option. So let this information to load, and you can see we have the options to customize many things. But then what we want to do is, at the top of the page under the account settings, you'll find a second option which says security. So you want to tap on security option. We want to go to this option and then confirm it by tapping on continue again. So what we can do is wait for this site to load up, and as it's load up, you have the option to actually change your email, your password, a security question, a mobile number, and so on. But you want to scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find a button which says sign out on all devices. So you can go ahead and tap on sign out on all devices, and it is going to ask us, you'll be signed out of apps and services on all devices that you've signed into with this account. Are you sure you want to continue? So tap on the continue button again. As you tap on continue, you'll successfully be signed out of your PSN account from all other devices, and you will actually have to re-authenticate and re-log in whenever you try to log in next time. So this was the way on how you could very easily sign out of all devices on the PlayStation Network account. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.